Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing countless industries from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Its growing presence is a key driver of innovation, automation, and smarter decision making globally because it empowers technology to not just follow instructions, but to interpret, reason, and adapt. Edge AI is the application of AI on premises, where data is generated rather than in a centralized cloud or data center. But before we dive deeper into Edge AI, let's begin by understanding what AI actually is and how it differs from traditional computing. In its simplest terms, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This can include tasks such as recognizing images, understanding language, making predictions, or even help making decisions in complex situations. But simply, AI's goal is to map inputs to outputs the way a human would. In traditional computing systems, humans program algorithms following a strict set of rules and instructions to map inputs to outputs. Given the same inputs, the program algorithm will systematically produce the same deterministic, predictable output. The limitation of these traditional computing systems is that their algorithms are programmed based on a known set of possible scenarios. In AI systems, the algorithms mapping inputs to outputs are not programmed. They are generated based on large datasets and a learning process. Machine learning, or ML, is the applied field of study within the broader subject of AI that enables computers to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. By training algorithms on large datasets like images, sensor readings, or speech, machine learning systems can adapt to new information and improve over time. This flexibility makes machine learning essential for modern dynamic environments, allowing technology to adapt and respond intelligently to a wide array of real-world situations. Now let's talk about what we mean by edge in the context of computing. The edge represents the physical location where data is generated, whether that's a factory floor, a retail store, a moving vehicle, or even a smart thermostat at home. When we bring AI to the edge, we get Edge AI, the deployment of artificial intelligence model on-premise, meaning anywhere local to where the data is produced, rather than in a distant cloud. This includes not just AI running directly on devices themselves, but also on local servers, gateways, or any infrastructure within the premises of an organization or installation. It is important to recognize that Edge AI is not a one-size-fits-all concept. Edge AI solutions can range broadly in terms of size, hardware, and software. At one end, you might find ultra-compact microcontrollers embedded in sensors and wearables, running simple inference tasks with minimal energy consumption. At the other end, Edge AI could leverage powerful server racks or specialized accelerators installed in local data centers, capable of handling complex models for robotics, video analytics, or industrial automation. The flexibility of Edge AI allows it to be tailored precisely to the needs and constraints of any given application or environment.